Safely moving your fridge, a step-by-step guide.
Welcome to this video tutorial on safely moving your fridge without causing damage to the appliance or the floor. In this video, we will go through a step-by-step process that ensures a safe and smooth move.
How to prepare your fridge for the move.
1. Empty the contents of your fridge, including both the refrigerator and freezer sections. Remove all food, drinks, and shelves. 2. Defrost your freezer, if needed. This helps prevent water leakage during the move. 3. Clean and dry the inside of your fridge to prevent mold and odors. 4. Secure the doors with a strong tape or bungee cords to keep them closed during the move.
What equipment will you need?
To safely move your fridge, you'll need the following equipment. 1. Appliance dolly. A sturdy appliance dolly will provide the necessary support for your fridge and make it easier to move. 2. Moving straps. Moving straps will help you securely attach the fridge to the dolly. 3. Furniture sliders. These will help protect your floors and make it easier to slide the fridge across the floor. 4. Cardboard or plywood sheets. Use these to protect your floor from scratches or dents.
How to move your fridge without damaging the floor.
Follow these steps to move your fridge safely. 1. Place the furniture sliders under the fridge's feet to minimize friction and protect your floor. 2. Position the appliance dolly at the side of the fridge and tilt the fridge back onto the dolly. Make sure to keep the fridge upright. 3. Secure the fridge to the dolly using the moving straps, ensuring that it is tightly fastened. 4. Lay down cardboard or plywood sheets along the moving path to provide extra protection to your floors. 5. Move the fridge slowly and carefully across the floor, making sure to avoid any bumps or obstacles. 6. Remove the sliders and dolly once the fridge is in its new location. We hope this video has provided you with a clear guide on how to safely move your fridge without causing damage to the appliance or the floor. Remember, preparation and using the right equipment are crucial for a successful move. Good luck!